Alright guys, check this out. So here we're going to be doing a video of a review of Village Ice Cream. And if you look here, this is the flavor of lime and the coconut, and it's basically a vegan ice cream with a big V there. So we're going to do a quick taste test of it. And it looks, let me see if they show the ingredients here. Huh. I think you'll have to go to their website to get the ingredients, but let's do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and we can do a quick taste test right now. No, it's not bad. It's tastes more like a sorbet, and there's like shreds of coconut within, so not bad. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.